god, all that work. Ugh. And I gotta do more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so don't you see this nest of bullshit on my head? Gotta fix it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I keep my hair looking wavy, diffused, and still nice, natural, puffy, and all rejuvenated and shit. What you're gonna need to do is first take this bullshit off, and as you can see, this is my real hair for the people that be capping, saying it's not. It's my real hair, just very thick. You want to section it into 4s. Look how cute I am. Saw that transition? It was cute. Look at my puppy in the back. Aww. So you're going to have to comb these nappy naps out. I'm combing my kitchen. That's what y'all need to do. Comb your shit. So before washing it and anything, I'm going to be using a beautiful product that I really love that helps to diffuse my hair. But first things first is you need to comb it out. A bitch haven't combed her hair in like 2 weeks. This is what happened when you have different textures in your hair. Oh my god. I didn't rip hair out. Oh shit. But yes. So by the way, if people want to know that I'm time looping this because it took like hours, literally hours to do this, so I'm going to time loop it for you guys. Sorry if I'm not saying the words right. It took a while, but you always want to start from the bottom, like your ends, to the top, so you won't damage the rest of your hair and pull too much out. Now this is called As I Am, and this is the wash-in treatment. So what this is going to do is actually clean your hair, strip it of all dirt, oils, and everything, as moisturizing it as well. And I fucking love this so much. I really think you guys should try this. It's for all hair types, but especially made for black people's hair. You guys look how it looks. I'm gonna try to dim it down. Oh shit, ah fuck. See, I always fuck things up. Oh my god, I am so sorry. I gotta dump this right back in here. I'm so sorry. Just give me a couple of minutes. Just, oh my god, it's everywhere. Okay, so sorry. You know, I'm trying. I'm just gonna write this on my hair. Oh, that don't look right. Alright. So you're just gonna massage this into your hair. If you have my hair or more coarse hair, and if it's very thirsty, you're gonna have to put a lot more. You'll see what I mean. Like if you do not have 4C hair, or if you don't have just hair like mine's in general, if you do not have it, you don't have to put a lot. But if you have hair like mine, everybody, please lather that bitch up with a whole bunch. Exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so you want to actually take a wide tooth comb, and you're going to split everything up, and you're still going to add some to the roots. It needs to melt in there. I need to put a lot more. Alright, so you're gonna have something like that as a ponytail. If you see, it's all straight and stuff. Then you're gonna comb the other side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this and enjoy the music. So what you saw me do to the back of my head, you're gonna do it to all the parts of my head. And by the way, for the people that are wondering who am I talking to, I was on TikTok live. By the way, shout out to all 5,000 of my followers on TikTok live. Thank you so much. And if you're here and contributing to, you know, my YouTube, thank you very much. I love you. Oh my god, I tangled my shit. So you guys probably didn't see me do it in the other one, but you're going to be combing this through afterwards. You're going to have leftover. You want to add that onto your hair. Do not just dump it. You're going to want to make sure you lather that shit up. And now you guys get to see the front of my hair. For the people that keep saying that my hair is not even that thick, that long, sweetie, it is a lot. The one thing you need to know about black people's hair is even if you notice that it is shrunk, it is actually long. Thick as hell. It just shrinks, sweetie. And when we comb it out, it gets bigger and bigger. And the volume is just, ooh, it's up there. The volume is nice. It's beautiful. And I love that about my hair, even though it takes a lot to comb through. But this is, pain is beauty, I guess. This shit hurt. And for the people that are curious, no, this is not a perm. It is literally a deep cleaning for my hair and moisturizing. So your hair should look like this, loves. Alright. I washed my hair out. Look how clean that is. It's all clean. My hair's all soft. Everything is all relaxed and whatnot. And no, this is not a relaxer that I was using. Calm down. It just looks so good. Oh, so. Now you're going to want to do the same thing I did in the beginning. So it should be way much easier after doing that to your hair. You saw how it just slid apart perfectly. And no, I didn't even freaking like lose any hair from doing that. And it's going to be easy for you to find your scalp and whatnot. So I'm going to need you guys to, you know, divide it into 4 again. And yes, you will need to comb your hair out once again, just to make sure. Because if you have hair like mine, you're going to have to regardless. I'm going to comb it out and put it into 4 sections, once again, with some clean ponytail holders. So I'm going to do the back of my head right now. I just combed it out. Your hair should look like this. After I combed it out, I put it in a ponytail. It's kind of cute. I don't know about you guys, but I like it when my hair's like this. Look at my edges. Feeling myself. Alright, so this stuff right here. Oh my god, right here. And it is the thicker one for the thick hair. This stuff right here, girl, it grows out your hair. It oils it. It's perfect. And excuse me, people, I forgot that the fucking cap has to come out. And oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. Yes, it's gonna be good shit. Alright, I'm sorry. So go down the middle of your scalp. Make sure you move it around into the hair. And then you're gonna work it in on the ponytail all the way up. Make sure it gets all in there. Every piece of your hair should be feeling oily. And do it to all 4 of the ponytails. Next, you're going to put it on the base, on the outer base. Just slap it on there. Next, you're going to take all of the ponytails out, not at the same time, but you're going to divide it, and you're going to do exactly the same thing that you did to your scalp for the lines, and you're going to make sure you move it into the hair. Scalp to hair to ends. Remember that. Make sure you get all of it. And then next, you're going to braid them all the way down. And when I mean you braid these, sorry, I know I look so sleepy and sad. When you braid these, I need you to braid it to the very tips of your hair. Should look like this. What you're going to do is curl these up, so roll them up and then take another rubber band and just make sure you pin it up, so tie it around the braid. It should look like this. All four of it, guys. All four of them. Alright, so after that, you're going to just add a little bit more oil to the nubs of them, you know, for a safe measure. A little bit more. Don't forget your edges. And that's how you look. Don't mind me. Alright, now you're gonna go to sleep. Good morning! I'm tired as fuck. My man is here. He saw me looking all dusty, crusty, and musty. He was making fun of me and shit. So I'm gonna take this off. My hair dried a little bit while I was sleeping. The oils did escape just a little. My hair should be crinkly like this, so take them down. Don't take the braid down yet, but just, you know, relieve them, relieve your scalp. By the way, this should all be tight as you can. And look, my man made fun of me saying I look like a trap Sasha. Oh my god. And you're gonna take the braids out, so they should look like this. Depending on your hair type, it should be either wavy-ish or curly-ish. Mine's have a wavy-ish, curly-ish look, obviously, because when you do braids like that, it's gonna look like this. But depends how it's gonna look when you take the ponytails out and comb it out, and also depends on the hair texture you have. So I'm gonna comb it out. I hurt my fingers, I'm sorry. And comb it out all over, and look at the hair. So you guys love when my hair looks like this. This is how I get it, like that. But we're not done. We are not done. Just I don't know about you guys, but like it feels so good when I do this to my hair. You're just gonna comb out the curls. It's all poofy. Look how like, just look how my hair looks all healthy and shit right now. Look at it. Looks all healthy and curly and shit. Look how pretty. Y'all saw how it looked in the beginning, and now look at it. He over here like saying, how did my hair get like that? And it wasn't looking like that. Last night I looked at him, I was like, work went into this hair. If you don't know who I'm talking about, you see that leg over there that's blocking that picture? That's my man. Alright, so next but not least, you're going to section off the parts that always lose the curl or wave the fastest. And I section this part into little parts because I don't need my back to be that well defined. I just need the front to be defined. And what you're gonna get, this is another As I Am product called Twist Defining Cream. And you can twist your hair, you can curl your hair, you can wave it up with this shit. It's so good. And I use it a lot, I'm sorry, but that's how it looks. What you're gonna do is the same process. You're gonna take a little bit, or depending on how long your hair is, a lot, and you're gonna put it on the ponytail that you just took down. Now with this, it actually defines it. What you're going to do is do the same process that we did before. You are going to braid it. And as you can tell, I didn't take the back of my head and put it into 2 ponytails. There's a reason, because I don't need it to be that defined. If you want your hair to be very defined in the back, then I would say 4 ponytails in the back, 2 ponytails in the back, depending on how much you want them to be. And I don't need them to be that defined. I just like the front to be defined. So what you're gonna do is put that rubber band right back on it. Look at it, look at it. You know, no lie, this looks like a cute little hairstyle. Like if I was in the 90s. I mean, I'm born in the 90s, but still. It would be cute, it would be different. Like if I was in a high school in the 90s. Lord have mercy. I didn't even do this one right. Look at that. Oh, hell no. Oh. Leave this in for like 10 minutes. You can use a blow dryer. And I gave my puppy loves. That was Twinkle. Alright, so I took it out. Gonna take these out. And now, because this is the small area that was needing more defining, just take them out. You don't have to comb it out. If you want to comb it out, still look the same. More defined. Wavy-ish curl. I'm happy you guys like this. Alright guys, so now for everyone that were wondering how I got my hair to look like this is how it looks. So follow me on all of my Instagrams, on Sasha Deity, Sashabznicholas, or Sasha Phoenixx. You can look at the other channel for other reactions, and also join the group, guys, and my TikTok and my Twitter. Don't forget to like and comment, hit that bell icon, and share, please. And if you's a hater, well, I love you too. Hit that bell icon. Play my outro.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.